Hi, my name is Hannah Gresham, and I decided to do cherry blossoms as my plant in the news. So, the article which I read is called "The Defiant Beauty of Cherry Blossoms" in the New York Times. It was published in the New York Times. And it was written by Julia Carmel and Tammy LaGorge on April 14th, 2020. And so it said, around this time of the year, cherry blossom festivals are usually happening. And because of the coronavirus, many, if not all, of the festivals have been closed or canceled because of it. And many of the parks where cherry blossom trees are have been closed as well. But the trees, however, are still in full bloom. And many of the communities that have these trees are coming up with ways where you can still enjoy the beauty of cherry blossom trees, but keeping a safe distance, following the social distancing standards. And many of these festivals have been traditions since the 1980s, so many of the locals are very upset that the festivals have been canceled and stuff. So the communities that through these festivals wanted to keep the locals connected and offer a way to relieve stress and anxiety that is induced during these times, just a way to escape from reality a little bit and focus on things they really love, like a beautiful thing such as the cherry blossom trees. So the first way they came up with are online cherry trackers on their websites. And they specifically mentioned the Brooklyn Botanical Garden in New York. So it says that you were able to view cherry blossom trees in various botanical gardens by going to their website and watching a sort of live stream video thing where they upload daily videos of their cherry blossom trees in their park and show you a little update about how they look and what's going on with them and stuff. And then they also offer virtual tours of botanical gardens that have their cherry blossom collections on, and they post them on Instagram and Facebook. And the Brooklyn Botanical Garden's also doing that. So that's a cool way to, connect with the community. And even if you are missing out on the festival, you still get to see the trees. And this picture is actually from the Brooklyn Botanical Garden of some of their cherry blossom trees. And then the last way they said you can take a walk by the parks, because they encourage walking during this time, going out and taking a walk. And they said that you could go take a walk and you can kind of glimpse the trees around. And some parks are still open, so you can just walk by them and see their cherry blossoms. But some other parks also offer drive-through entrances, which I are calling car tours, where you can drive through the park and view the cherry blossoms. So they've specifically mentioned the Branch Brook Park in New York. And that's a picture of one of the trees in the Branch Brook Park. But taking this on a local standpoint, I know that Mercer has cherry trees on their streets, so you could probably drive through there and look. I know Atlanta has some that you could probably take a walk through, but that's kind of traveling, but we even might have some local ones around us. But I would highly encourage everybody to go take a look at cherry blossom trees and this time of the year because they're just simply beautiful. Thank you.